Hi all, good morning and good evening. So welcome back to our lecture number 10, and in this lecture we are going to do nothing but we are going to solve some simple programs on Python. So and the database will be on Jupyter notebooks. So let me show you how to open Jupyter notebook. So this is an Anaconda navigator. From here you can launch the Jupyter notebooks. And so this is our Jupyter notebook in which we will write the code for the programs. These are the programs. So first program is Python program to check whether number is positive or negative. Okay, this tells whether the number is positive or negative. This is a Python program to check whether the number is positive or negative. The program takes a number and checks whether it is positive or negative. Take the value of integer and store it in a variable. Use an if statement to determine if the number in the is positive or negative. Then exit. Okay, so let's begin. So, so let's open first this. In this first we will make an variable which will be known as num which is equals to integer input taking a input, enter the number. Next we will have if statement. If num is divisible to 2 or is equal to 0, then print what? Print if num is an positive number. Else print if num is an negative number. Okay, let's run this program and check it. To run the program, you should press Ctrl plus Enter. So here you can see enter a number. I will enter first a positive number like 88. Then 88 is a positive number. I will again run it. Now I will put in 45 number. Okay, 45 is a negative number. Okay, this is the first program that we are doing. Okay, and if you don't understand this and you're new to our channel, so you can just go for to a YouTube channel, ARBP Cloud Technologies. ARBP Cloud Technologies. This is our channel. Okay, this is our channel, and videos. On the video section we have the latest video on Anaconda. Okay, you can view it and see how to download Anaconda and use it. Okay. So let's move on to our next program, which is a Python program to convert centimeter to feet and inches. This is a Python program to read height in centimeter and then convert the height to feet and inches. Program description: the program reads the height in centimeter, then converts into takes a height in centimeter and store it in a variable, convert the height in centimeter into inches and feet, print the length and feet, inches and feet, then exit. So this is our second code. These are the codes. If you need the codes, you can ask, put the comments that I need the code. We will provide you the code. So now let's proceed with our programming now. Okay. So firstly we will make an variable which is called a centimeter. Okay, centimeter variable. In it, again integer input input will be enter the height or the measure in centimeter. Now inches is equals to 0.394 into centimeter. Feet is equals to 0.00398 into centimeter. Print print the length in inches, which is round. You should always put in comma. Round inches, comma 2. The variable should be same as you have declared here. Okay, next will be print the length in feet. So let's see if it works. So let me put 5 centimeter. So the length in inches is 1.97 and length in feet is 0.2. So it is working. Now we will add one more here and next code will be of, let us see. So we have done the second one also. We have three codes only in this program. We will put next three also. This is a Python program to print all the prime numbers within the given range. Okay, so this is a Python program to print all the five prime numbers. The program takes in the upper limit and prints all the numbers in the given range. Take in the upper limit for the range and store it in a variable. Let's start for a loop range from 2 to upper limit, initializing the count variable to 0. Let the second for the loop range to half, excluding, then find the number of divisor using a if statement and increment the count variable each time. If the number of divisors is lesser than or equal to 0, the number is prime. Print the final result and exit. This is an algorithm. Okay. So now we have our next program. Okay. We will put an variable named as range. So prime. Prime. Or let's put the variable name prime only. Prime number. Which is equals to init input enter upper limit for the range. Okay, this is for the range. For we will use a for loop for a in range 2 comma prime number plus 1 bracket close colon k is equals to 0 for I in range 2 comma a divisor 2 plus 1 bracket colon if a percent I is equals to 0, oh, colon is important here, then k is equals to k plus 1. If k bracket k is greater than equal to 0, is not greater than equal to 0, print a. Let's run it. Where it is? Okay, now let's run it again. It should be here. No, it will run. Yes. Upper limit we will set 20. So it has printed all the upper limits. Okay, all the prime numbers. We will run it again. 100, not 10, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so that's all we are having for today, and you can also subscribe our channel if you like our videos. And all the videos of our channel has been uploaded here. You can see and enjoy the video.
Please subscribe my channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.